A hands-on video showing what could be the iPhone SE 2 has been leaked across the web, and it shows that the device is a little cross between the original iPhone SE and Apple's latest and greatest iPhone X. Alleged iPhone SE 2 videos shows the iPhone X notch and even the dual camera setup at the back if the iPhone X featured a smaller screen size, with the bezels reduced to a minimum and with a notch place at the top. That is what the iPhone SE 2 could look like. There is even a dual camera setup incorporated at the back, but it is more than obvious that the upcoming compact smartphone, if it ever gets announced, will feature a single rear camera lens, since Apple will be trying its level best to reduce the retail price for the end user. Also, it should be noted that this might be a prototype model of the iPhone X with a smaller screen size that could have been tested, rejected, and suddenly got leaked out on the web. Remember, the iPhone SE 2 is not expected to feature these premium changes because it would unnecessarily increase the price tag of the device. However, we still believe that the phone will come with support for wireless charging, but it will still retain the previous gen features, ranging from the top and bottom bezels to the presence of Touch ID instead of Face ID. The smartphone will get an Apple A10 Fusion SoC, coupled with 2 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, which is more than sufficient to provide the user with a fluid iOS interface in the end. There are no concrete details about its price tag, and you'd best make sure to check out the video below, but take everything you see in it with a pinch of salt.
We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.